see there's been a terrific atmosphere here. There is great expectation, excitement, and it has built nicely in these idyllic conditions. Conditions which are certainly playing their part in creating a glorious ambience. It's quite a struggle to get in here, points of access hard to come by, and an awful lot of people gathering to get through the gates, but regardless of that, there's a great feel here and much excitement for the game ahead. And nobody in this atmosphere can hide from the truth about how much this game matters. The scene overflows with colour and passion. Just joining us, we are already underway. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Yeah, the idea was right, the delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
It's an inviting looking ball, that. Oh dear, less said about that pass the better. Gently done. Shot could be on. He is through here. And the shot! Oh, that is rather wayward.
That was good defensive pressure to give him less manoeuvring room.
Oh, good spread. Played out to the right. That's going to go a long way. Throw it. Out to the left it goes. The cross come up to meet it! He will be livid with himself.
Do I really need to tell you, Peter, that he has to do better, especially from there?
They're battling for the right to play in the early stages. Looking for the runner. Oh, super. And he's had a hit! That's a fine save!
The keeper really dug out his defence then. A magnificent effort.
No space, no problem. You just cannot stop him.
Well, he had to deal with an awful lot of unwanted attention, but his tenacity won the day.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Still a fragile lead though, they can't afford to sit on this.
Another pass just keeps it ticking over. Knocks it out wide. Hit into the middle.
Been there, done that, unfortunately. You immediately want to have another go. Believe me on that.
Moved forward and quickly so. Oh, that's a key interception. the space here.
Looking for options for movement.
Massive lead! Good delivery, but no joy.
Well, plenty of moving targets to pick out in the box. Obviously increases your chances of the ball being met like that by someone.
Oh, a delicate chip through. Goalkeeper's ball. And if you have just joined us, still just one goal between them. 1-0 the score. A spectacular effort! Oh, that was extravagant by any standard.
Well, it was certainly an acrobatic effort. I mean, it was probably the best option for him, but they're never easy to pull off.
Out to the right. It's a sharp little ball here. Oh, he's played it in low. Turns back here, probably the best option. Passes short and sharp. Tries to... and the shot! And that's been levered clear. Gently done. Oh, well played, well played. No messing about, just bludgeoned away. Tries to think it through. And it's corner. Well, the opening goal did come from a corner. Now then. Great lead! Just off target.
Yeah, he may have snatched at that a bit, even though it was quite close.
Gets his pass away. And they win it back again. Fiddles it through. Interesting ball. That is a great pick out. Oh, he had to make that, and he did make it. The ball is loose, and the chase is on. Now the counter. There will be a throw-in. Well played. That has snuffed out the danger. Played out towards the right wing. It's a good spell of possession, this. Good spot, he's seen the run. Gets good distance on it. Oh, shooting chance! Keeper pulls up a fine save.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
And it's played forward. Oh, Red, nice interception. And they're quick to get it back. Moved on forwards. Oh, super ball! And Now the breakaway. And it's lofted through. Shot a goal! And the keeper passes the test.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
This possibly the last play of the half. Towering header! And yes, it's there! A two-goal lead, and they're firmly in control. It is a good finish. The odds were against him, little matter.
Well, I think that defence there thought they were in good position and they had him where they wanted, yet somehow he's worked the scoring position when it didn't see him on. That's really crafty business, that.
Things stop. And that'll be the final action of the first half. Reflections on the first half?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
A half of massive entertainment and excitement. A two-goal margin, yes, but all things still possible. So we're already into the second period. Shifted upfield. And for a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. Now who's going to be first to this? Good defending, albeit from an unexpected source.
He's dealt with that very well, Peter. It's a real show of discipline.
Danger averted for now. Well, they've got it back in a hurry. Away from immediate danger. Opts for safety. Out for a throw. Oh, can he get onto this? Amat gets over and intercepts. Threads one in. And it's hoisted clear. That's very neat. Knocks it away. So 2-0 the scoreline early after half-time.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Looking here to chip it through. Spread neatly. It's an inviting looking ball, that. Challenge just a bit on the firm side. Played up towards the front line. The defending has become, all of a sudden, very personal, up close, adhesive.
Well, this defence now knows that they have to reduce his movement because they've allowed him to run free.
Oh, that's sweet, almost telepathic. Real chance! I think that's offside. Yes, it is. Played out to the left flank. Forwards and with intent. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. Well, that's surely a foul. Free kick. Crosses it in. Good take by the keeper, he's read that well. No way through there. It's run loose here. And the counter is on. Oh, good spread. Couldn't quite squeeze that one through. Pressing's intense, and it's paid off. Nicked it back promptly. Sends it forward. Looking for the runner. That's a good intervention. That was what he had to make in the face of danger that was growing. That's been intercepted. And no, that is pretty much the end of that. Well, that's an inviting goal. Oh, can he get onto this? We expected better, and so did he. Leading by 2, and the finishing line in sight. Decent hit! Oh, it looked like 3-0 for sure.
Oh, he went for it there knowing full well that it could have all been wrapped up.
Corner number 4 coming up here. Great leap! Amat. Final 5 minutes. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. Keep the ball and you win the game. It really is that simple. Interesting ball. Great work on the overlap. And that has been clubbed away. And they can counter here. He's left his man. Great ball, and he's in here. Chance! Oh, no shortage of confidence there.
Well, at least the crowd are appreciative of his efforts.
Defending of the desperate variety. And that will be the final act.